Alright, now we'll do the fixture cap in Autocad from the book Autocad 2018 tutorial first level 2D fundamentals. So I'm going to save it first because you always want to save it just in case, you know, it actually crashes on you and then you lose all your progress, which wouldn't be so good. So fixture cap, save. Alright, now I'm going to set everything up. I'm going to make the appropriate layers. So I'll go to layer properties. Then I'll make multiple layers because I'll make dimensions, hidden lines, and so on. So here, new layer, I'm gonna call it hidden. Enter. I'll make this a different color so you can actually differentiate the different lines I'll be making. Let's just make this red. No, let's make it blue. Blue, and then I'll make the line type hidden. So I'll go here and I'll go on load. I'll go down to hidden. Press OK. Press OK. And now it's hidden. Now I've got blue color. Okay, now I'm going to make object, an object layer. Object. I'm gonna make this different color, red, and I'm going to make it a continuous solid line. And then I'm going to make another one, dimensions. Some drawings you don't have to make dimensions, but my particular professor wants me to do dimensions, so we'll do that. And yeah, here we go. So first I'll start out with object. I'm gonna select line. It's in the corner up here on the left, or you can just type it in. Doesn't matter. I'm going to start out. So we know it's from one circle to the other. It's, oh, we forgot to set our units. Units. We want, in this case, we want millimeters. So millimeters. That should work. Alright. So here, I'm gonna make it 300 millimeters. Oh. Let's check. Is this DAL? With this, you can check. There. Oh wow, you can't even see it. That's just great. That's just great. Or you can just select a line, select the corner, and you'll see 300. So now we'll make a radius, a circle with a radius of 60, since that's what it says in the book. So 60, we're going to copy, or you can just hit the space bar like this, and oh nope, never mind. Save it. You always want to save. Then I'm going to make a center circle which has a diameter of 20. So I'm going to 150 because the circle is going to be in the middle. There, make this. So the diameter is 20, so the radius will be 10. Save. And then we will make Well, I'm gonna leave this at first like this. I'm gonna make a part 2. This is just part 1. I'm learning myself, so yeah, let's just go over some more stuff. So basically, if I would have wanted to make this a hidden line, I'll just select this and then go up here where my layers are and just hit hidden. That way I changed it. I changed the line from object to hidden, and you can do that with any command or selection. So there's that. Then I'll make a part 2.